So Diego, help me understand what you mean by linear classifiers. Are you referring to some sort of a regression-based method, or kind of give me a little bit more idea there? And also, when we're talking about classifiers, how many classes are we talking about? Is this going to be like a binary classifier, multi-class? Give me some idea there of what you're looking at, or if you just want to present the business use case, happy to see that. Okay, so Diego replies, like logistic regression. Yes. Okay. And by the way, guys, I'm putting the comments up on the screen because YouTube can't see the X comments and X can't see the YouTube comments. So kind of going back and forth that way. Okay, so you are talking about binary logistic regression. All right. So let's break that down a little bit further because Diego, it sounds like you're fairly experienced, especially if you're already working in the field, but we might have some folks that aren't as experienced. And by the way, I see that we already have 10 viewers, so thanks a lot for joining, everybody. So binary classifiers can be like a true or false classifier.